Intermittent fasting is a popular way to improve health and well-being. It's not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice for many. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to rest and rejuvenate. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. This shift in perspective can make a significant difference in your overall health. Millions of people around the world are trying intermittent fasting. They are discovering its many benefits, from weight loss to improved mental clarity. They are finding that intermittent fasting can fit into their busy lives without the need for complicated meal plans or calorie counting. Intermittent fasting is not a diet in the traditional sense. It's a pattern of eating that can be adapted to suit individual needs and preferences. You cycle between periods of eating and not eating, giving your body time to process and utilize nutrients more efficiently. This can be done in various ways, making it a flexible option for many. Common methods include daily, time-restricted feeding, where you eat within a specific window each day, alternate day fasting, and periodic fasting. Each method has its own set of benefits and can be tailored to fit different lifestyles and health goals. The most popular method is the 16-8 method, which is widely adopted by many people looking to improve their health and manage their weight. This involves fasting for 16 hours each day, which might sound challenging at first, but it becomes easier with practice and consistency. You then eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, allowing your body to rest and repair during the fasting period. For example, you might skip breakfast and eat your first meal at noon, which can be a hearty lunch to kickstart your eating window. Your last meal would be before 8 p.m., ensuring you have a balanced dinner that keeps you satisfied until the next day. It's important to start gradually, especially if you're new to intermittent fasting. Don't jump into a long fast right away. Instead, ease into it by gradually increasing your fasting period. Begin by shortening your eating window slowly, perhaps by an hour or two each week, until you reach the desired 16-8 schedule. This helps your body adjust. Listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel during the fasting and eating periods. If you feel unwell, stop and consult a doctor. It's always best to seek professional advice before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Intermittent fasting offers various health benefits. It's a popular eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It can help with weight loss by reducing calorie intake and boosting metabolism. It improves insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. By improving insulin sensitivity, intermittent fasting can protect against diseases like type 2 diabetes. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of developing this condition. It may even help you live longer by promoting cellular repair and reducing oxidative stress. These processes are essential for maintaining overall health as you age. During fasting, your body uses stored fat for energy. This leads to weight loss and can improve your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Fasting also lowers insulin levels, making your body more sensitive to insulin. This improved sensitivity helps in better blood sugar control and can prevent spikes and crashes. This can improve blood sugar control, which is vital for preventing diabetes and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Studies show that intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease and cancer. This can lower your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall quality of life. Embracing intermittent fasting can be a step towards a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. During your eating window, focus on healthy, whole foods. These include fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide nutrients without excess calories. Stay hydrated throughout the day, even when fasting. Don't overeat during your eating window. This can negate the benefits of fasting. It's important to maintain a balanced diet. This ensures you get all the nutrients your body needs.